An antenna, beamforming ICs, an up-down converter, and a baseband makes up a complete mmWave communication system. If you want to build a mmWave system or use it to create amazing applications, you will need not only the necessary equipment, but also the fundamentals. In order to design an antenna, you will need to understand why an antenna array is used in mmWave, what effects it has, and how to measure the beam pattern. Another important piece of equipment is the beamforming IC. It incorporates the necessary RF front-end components such as power amplifiers, low-noise amplifiers, phase shifters, and switches. Before building a complete system, you must understand the architecture, study the influence of these components, and calibrate the beamformer. The mmWave technology will be important in the future. I believe you have heard some amazing concepts, such as metaverse and driverless vehicles. To realize these concepts, mmWave provides an excellent frequency band, but it still requires a significant amount of algorithm research and application development. Common application cases include mmWave radar, channel sounders, beam tracking, and beam refinement. The mmWave development is an inevitable trend in the coming years, and the market size will explode. The mission is obvious: to develop and train talents. For the development of mmWave, the next generation of engineers will play a key role, and it is essential that engineering graduates are prepared for the principle, practice, and advanced research of related mmWave technologies. However, the cost of mmWave relevant components is prohibitively expensive, making practical operations difficult to execute and depriving students of hands-on experience with real-world applications. Don't worry, TMYTEK completely understands and has a dependable solution for you. Developer Kit is a complete and affordable mmWave training tool for lecturers, professors, and researchers. It provides complete mmWave components including beamformer, antenna array, mmWave signal source, mmWave power detector, and so on. With Developer Kit, students not only learn the relevant theory, but also a hands-on experience with real mmWave applications. It is an excellent entry-level kit for mmWave teaching, but it can also extend to advanced research with other options such as software-defined radio, up-down converter, antenna kit, and Raspberry Pi. The Developer Kit is also a good platform to help you quickly build a prototype for mmWave application development. For antenna array design, you can take advantage of the beamformer's detachable feature to easily verify the antenna's performance and specifications. You can rapidly construct a mmWave communication system and integrate the necessary baseband equipment to create a prototype for advanced application development or algorithm research. You will see how the Developer Kit can open up new possibilities and efficiently drive your mmWave development. To speed up the mmWave teaching proposal, we have provided a complete toolkit and prepared corresponding lab sheets. So far, lab sheets are ready for hands-on practical work. Contents of the lab sheet include the fundamentals of beamformer, channels gain and phase, constructive and destructive interference, beam steering, and measuring beam pattern. The Developer Kit eliminates the need for mmWave equipment such as signal generator, spectrum analyzer, vector network analyzer. Isn't the Developer Kit fantastic? Let me give you a quick rundown. In the beginning chapter, you will understand the beamformer's architecture and control the gain and phase of each channel, study the operation and relationship of the beamformer, learn about constructive and destructive interference, and learn how to perform practical in-phase calibration. It is a critical task in beamforming. You will be able to implement beamforming after a simple calibration. You will learn about beam steering theory, how to calculate the related parameters and apply them to a beamformer to form the expected steering angle, and how to implement beam steering. You will also be able to monitor and evaluate the antenna pattern. You will use the developer kit to perform a real antenna test and draw the results. We believe you now have a better understanding of what the developer kit is about after listening to the brief introduction. But is it enough? TMYTEK completely understands what's on your mind, and we have continuously been preparing extensive lab sheets to meet the needs of various applications such as antenna and research, protocol and algorithm development, and so on. Finally, the mmWave technology is the key to future communication applications such as 5G, beyond 5G, fixed wireless access, LEO satellites, ADAS, and so on. To meet the demands for talents and to reduce the threshold of mmWave development, we provide an affordable, flexible, and extensive tool, the TMYTEK Developer Kit. It allows students to experience first-hand mmWave application, assist professors in evaluating potential and advanced research, and even realize a full mmWave system. Are you looking forward to the mmWave revolution? Let's step into the future now.